Just when you thought the Jeep Wrangler JL couldn't get more refined. Introducing the all-new, fully automated, armor-protected power step slider from Rockslide Engineering for the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. The step extends automatically when a door is opened and retracts when the door is shut. The step deploys a full 12 inches down from the slider, providing the driver and passengers with a convenient and safe means to climb in or out of the Jeep. So whether you recently added a lift and bigger tires, drive it to work daily in your nice suit or skirt, or are just tired of having someone pull out a step stool for you to get in and out of your Jeep, the step slider is your answer. Rated with a static weight capacity of 650 pounds, even the big boys can safely get in and out. When the step is retracted, it becomes a fully functional rock slider that is engineered with 11-gauge steel construction and stainless steel internals that will flex the length of the step to absorb the energy of a hit or drop on the step slider in off-road conditions. Designed for a factory install with no drilling required in the body or frame, the step slider mounts to factory holes in the pinch seam and uses the factory body mount bolts underneath, making for a quick and simple installation. The motor is sealed inside the step slider unit and is waterproof to handle any weather condition, and the microcontroller unit is mounted inside the Jeep and provides timing control delay on retraction as well as safety sensing to prevent injury to a person on retraction and prevent jamming on extension if there is an object in the way. The step slider comes with a maintenance-free powder coating with a flexible thermoplastic base coat and textured black top coat, and has a 3-year warranty against manufacturer defects and 12-month warranty on the coating. The step sliders include everything necessary for installation, including step slider units for both sides, all hardware, wiring harness, door sensors, and microcontroller to run system. You can also accessorize your step slider with the addition of a body rocker guard for that aggressive look, add an additional skid plate to the already rugged step slider for additional protection in extreme off-roading conditions, and add an LED light kit to illuminate the step in low-light conditions. Visit rockslideengineering.com today for more information and to order your step slider kit.